Happy birthday, dear Marie. Happy birthday to you. I know. It's the sound of the ultimate commitment. Okay. Oi. And you saw people go up this way? I did, yeah. All right, let's see what happens. Mer. My leg feels great. I'm gonna be showing up to Standing Bear a bit lame with my back.
My God, you're knotted like a pretzel.
Still good views. Can't complain. I'll complain, but I can't complain. Peaceful. So this is the helipad because there's like a big open circle. All right, as you can see, I am going downhill, which means I am cruising down quite a bit into the Pigeon River and then up into my favorite place, Standing Bear. Probably our biggest home base of shooting mile 666. Maria, the owner, is in it.
Welcome to Standing Bear. Hi. I'm Maria. How can I help you?
And most of the people that live and work there are in the movie. So, yeah, we did a screening on 420 there. And a couple hikers that were there. Super fun times. And yeah, cannot wait to get there. Back is feeling a little bit better.
Ooh, hit some driftwood.
But I don't want to jinx it. Woo! Neat. Okay. Ooh, nice little thing here. All right. I guess that means we are out of the Smokies, I think. Oh, Standing Bear's close. I found a snake. He gone. So this is the bridge crossing the Pigeon River. Another shooting location for mile 666. Got 1 mile of uphill to Standing Bear. Hoorah. Don't jump. Ooh, I-40, Asheville. Drove that all the way from Barstow to Asheville twice in the last 2 years. Fun ride. Woo! Woo! Yay! Home sweet home. Oh yeah. I'm so excited. I've never been so excited. I'm very excited. I'm like super excited. Oh my God. Yes. Hello. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Nice to see you guys.
Nice to see you.
It's good to finally be back here, yeah.
You hike all the way here?
240 miles, yep. I'm gonna get a soda right now. I'm thirsty.
Get one, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Maria's not one.
Awesome. Hello, hello. Oh my God, you guys have burgers going? What? Yes! Perfect day! Oh my God.
How's the hike, bro?
It's so good. I'm gonna shower up and I'll give you guys some hugs.
I know where everything's at.
Yeah. Is Maria here?
Yeah.
What's up, Houston? What's up, baby? Oh. All right. Wow, that is like the best thing I've ever seen. I need to get some close-up footage of, yeah. I was like, I need to get like a shuttle and to get burgers or something, but no. Thank God.
It's hot. Okay, we're good.
Okay, now.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marie. Happy birthday to you.
All at one blow.
Here's your ear. Here's your ear. Here's your ear.
Great, huh?
Here's my horn.
All right.
Wonderful. Okay, and you just fucking jump ahead, and then you do 2 steps. You don't land bang. You land 2 steps, two, and then you carry on
Yeah, but
forward.
that impact is so much higher on the knees, dude.
No.
It is. You're dropping twice as far. I
Physics is not real, bro.
yeah, you're right.
You fucking idiot.
That's perfect.
like that, and I put it on the internet, and I said, "No, I'm
He
not."
doesn't
doing
even know how to do his legs. Oh, he's good.
I said,
Do not
"Because
hurt
I'm an
yourself."
idiot with cooking their tent.
Sure, and that worked. Yeah, I guess you get millions of views.
Yeah.
Swinging for the fences. Look at that teensy little piece of wood he got out of that.
One swing. One swing.
Yeah,
It couldn't even fucking hit it.
I warmed it up for you, okay? I got it all lubed up for you.
Captain Alpha Male underpants. Got the tree house. Oh yeah, thank you, Jessica. Oh yeah.
Terms was, I don't believe that.
What happened?
Then-
You know what I mean? Yeah, and back then, we can like smelling really bad. And probably
It's not that I don't believe it could be real. Of course it could
Or
be.
then you believe, but there's got to be a way to get proof eventually.
And until then, I'm not going to think about it.
Why are you not going to think about Dogman or Bigfoot?
It's simply not my calling.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Like, there are people who it's their calling to find Dogman and Bigfoot and prove their existence.
I just like to know what's going on around me.
Yeah, I think that there are just better stuff to learn about for me.
Well, you know what? I like to learn about a lot of stuff.
Yeah, good.
But if I'm in the woods, I like to know what's going on there.
That makes sense.
If
Yeah.
I'm in New York City, I like to know what's going on there.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm going to be in the city, I like to know what I got to deal with. If I'm going to be up here, I like to know what I got to deal with.
Yeah.
What I could be up against.
Are you scared of Dogman?
Huh?
Are you scared of
No,
Dogman?
because there's no been confirmed cases where he's hurt people. He's just curious. And
There is a confirmed case of hurting pussy. He hurt that female national park ranger.
I'm talking
He
about
cut her.
No, I'm talking about Kelly. I didn't mean it like
So
that.
you're not scared of getting maimed by Dogman?
Well,
So when you're sleeping out in the woods by yourself, you're not thinking about, hope Dogman doesn't fuck with me tonight. Why not?
because he's not done. So far, they don't. He's not attacked anybody else
That we know of,
that we know of.
because maybe those persons never got to tell anyone because they
Well,
died.
maybe they were too far in deep woods.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that's just my brother Logan.
Try not to think about Dogman before you go to bed. Try not to think about Dogman
Oh,
before
I
you go
don't
to
know.
bed.
I don't. Man, I come in peace. And
But does Dogman?
well, let me finish. Everybody that's had an encounter with it has said that there's intelligence inside.
Yeah, but intelligence does not mean that it's not
Doesn't
malevolent.
mean that it wouldn't kill you, but
You know who's the smartest person in history?
it's not me.
Satan.
It's not me.
Man, my man's spitting.
Lucifer, the bringer of light. He's pretty smart. but very evil. So
Crafty.
just because you're intelligent
Trixie.
doesn't mean you're not. The most dangerous person is the most intelligent person. Ozymandias, Watchman.
I agree with you on that, but I'm not worried about Satan because there's nothing I can do about it.
Is that? I mean, I guess that's how we have to approach Dogman.
Yeah,
There's nothing I can do about that.
that's true. There
But
is
I'm
nothing
not
you can do
gonna
about
knock on the
Dogman.
woods because that's a possibility.
I'm gonna tell people that Dogman so they don't go in the woods and I get the shelter all to myself.
Yeah, I will dress up as Dogman to get the shelter for myself.